Okay, so today is a really exciting day. Kind of. It's a little bit of a stressful one though, because I've got a lot to do. But this is pretty much like the first physical, practical thing that's gonna happen before my kitchen renovations. And it's just to rearrange my living room because we need to make room for a doorway that needs to be cut. I'll insert a photo over there. So I need to move everything that's here and put it here. And I have work tomorrow. Haven't eaten. It's 6:30. I have to draw for tomorrow. I want to try and get this done quickly, but I do have a million things that need to be moved. So I am maybe a little bit too... I should have started this yesterday, but that is okay. These things happen. I have 3 heaters at my house. They're now all on. I want to get sweaty. Let's go. Painful. It's looking better.
Because I don't know if they're dirt. Yes, interesting. I will describe some of the body language. I think that I can make that.
No, it should be okay on that. I reckon it's pretty perfect actually.
Oh no, it looks good.
Look.
Yeah.
By the way.
Oh, sorry.
You are a clock.
I'm a bit slow, Mikey.
I don't care. Practice makes perfect. Hey, how often have you done it? Not often. It's that simple. Yeah, it's out.
Great. Ooh, it's the classic kitchen.
Classic kitchen colour.
Look at that.
Beautiful. I just want to see.
This cutter. Say hi, Mikey.
Hi, everyone. It's a joy.
Okay.
Seal.
Oh.
So it actually comes with keeping the humidity in. They do.
you want to take this one? We're in the car.
We're in the car.
I know, because you sort of forget it all, don't you, once it's built, but...
I can say, I wonder how I did that. I reckon $88 is good, isn't it?
It's pretty good.
The man's the same age as the bench top.
We just dumped everything.
We've just uploaded everything at the
Oh
tip.
my god, look at these gloves. That was crazy. Like I've never been here before. It's like a waste management. They've got like metal, timber, e-waste, general. No, I'm coming. Oh!
See, they sort of like have this crimp and then they just get this.
They have an O-ring.
I'm a bit overwhelmed. This is the... I just went and looked at some stoves, oven, sinks and taps. I liked all the expensive things. How annoying. It's always the way, isn't it? Always the way. Oh my god, I'm going to show you how I've been doing my washing because I don't have like a sink. People keep telling me there's an episode of Seinfeld where Kramer is like washing his dishes in the shower, but like same. I just have like a couple things here today to wash, so I've been doing this maybe for like last week or two. It's so really cold, like it's as cold as it is outside. Today we're doing some cutting into the entryway. It's gonna create a shit ton of dust. I don't even know why I'm bothering to have a shower right now. I have to do my dishes. It's like the dirtiest week I think so far. It's just dust everywhere. Right now I'm moving all of this. You can see the doorway that we're creating. So this structure is getting taken down. It's just temporary because when we cut this out, there's going to be so much dust, and obviously I have a whole room here. We want to just protect that. So that's what this is here for. I'll take you into the other room. We've already cut halfway through the wall. We just have to cut the other side. It's going to be really noisy, really messy, and yeah, it's a bit sad. We just made a room. Okay, I am quite sad. My whole living room is covered in dust. Every surface in here has like a layer of grime. It is quite depressing, and I didn't put anything down on my couch until it was too late. So I have to deal with that later. And there's just like knickknacks everywhere, and I just wish that I had thought that this like would be enough. Anyway, it's too late now. Everything's covered in dust. I don't want to put it anywhere else in the house because it'll just make other places dusty. So I'm going to have the world's biggest deep clean when this is all done. Anyway, my lungs feel horrible. The shower I just had was... I need to have another one. That wasn't enough. Now I'm leaving. I'm not staying here. I can't. It's too much. There's dust everywhere. It's everywhere. put in this, and it's there so that this is still supported for this new entryway here. Is 30 in here.
Oh yeah, we're going to trimmers
Yeah.
each side of line up that bit and that bit with your eye.
Is that okay?
Yeah, that's it. Because sometimes
It's dark now. So we're almost done. Hey again. We're at the end of the video. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. This took a long time to edit. This is like maybe a month and a half worth of footage that I've had to like narrow down just so that it creates some kind of storyline. Where we're at now is the cabinet maker came, measured everything up a couple days ago, and the electricians are in today and they put everything in ready for install. The next steps are putting up the ceiling and then also doing the flooring and a couple other things to just make things look nicer. For example, like I really want to make sure the window looks really nice, so I'm gonna get like a paint stripper and just basically redo that whole area. Yeah, so that's where we're at. It's gonna be really exciting. In the next 3 or 4 weeks everything is gonna be installed, so if you're watching this now, please be patient. I am working so hard. This is taking up all of my time and my energy in the best way possible. I don't want to like complain about it because obviously this is my choice and I'm very privileged to be able to do this. So of course, shout out to my stepdad, Michael. Truly wouldn't be able to do this without him. Not only has he designed everything, but he has also been helping me do everything safely and properly, so that's been great. I've been learning a lot. He has been doing really, I can't take credit for everything because I'm just a glorified assistant, I think. Anyway, so if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. This has been like pretty crazy. I don't recommend it. I don't recommend this at all. I will never be doing this ever again. But hopefully the next part of this video will be more satisfying, and then I can show you guys a little tour of the finished kitchen, but in about 4 weeks, so I don't want to drag this on. If you have any questions or anything you want to see, let me know, because I'll definitely film something, and maybe the next video won't be as long as this because I think there's less things for me to do. Let's see. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye.